A very warm wishes to all. My name is Hassam Ali, and in this video, we'll discuss about the SBI Fixed Maturity Plan, that is the FMP Series 56, and the tentative validity date will be 1,232 days, and it's a NFO, basically a new mutual fund, new fund offering, basically, which have been provided by the SBI Mutual Fund segment. So in this particular video, we will discuss about the NFO segment, which the SBI has been releasing under its new series, that is series 56, and we'll look towards some of its core aspects and try to analyze the financial aspects even as well. Now let's start our video. So in the first part we have is the introduction. The SBI mutual fund that has been launched under the SBI fixed maturity plan, that is the FMP series 56, and the duration days will be 1232 days. It is a close-ended scheme with a relatively high interest rate risk and a relatively low credit risk. The NFO opens for subscription on December 6, 2021, and it closes on 15th of December 2021. The entry load and the exit load is not applicable for the scheme, and the minimum subscription amount is rupees 5,000 and its multiple of rupee thereafter. In this particular slide, we have some important information given with us. Now, the investment objective of the scheme, this NFO scheme, its objective is to endeavor to provide the regular income and capital growth with limited interest rate risk to investors through investments in a portfolio comprising of debt instruments maturing on or before the maturity of the scheme we have. Moving forward with our next slide. So in this particular slide, we have the two components with us which has been compared, that is the Mr. A and Mr. B, and the Mr. A has done in investment in the FMP series, and the Mr. B have done his investment in the FD, that is the fixed deposit we have. And now let's suppose both of these persons have invested the same amount, that is 1 lakh rupees each, in the two other segments, that is the FMP and the FD. The term of the investments, as we can see, is the same, like 1857 days for both of the instruments, FMP and FD, and the yield is also the same, 5.3%. The maturity value you can see over here is also the same, like at 1,25,690 rupees. The initial cost of investment is also the same. Now let's move towards the index cost of investment, that is the CIIF financial year 2016. As we can see, that is the 1,18,504, and for the fixed deposit it is not available, it has been not given. So now we'll do the analysis, which will start under the row, that is the capital gains and the taxable amount. So the capital gains, as you can see, after the selling of this FMP series, is now Mr. A has the rupees 7,186, and if I talk about Mr. B, the capital gains is which he realized, that is the rupees 25,690 rupees. The tax for the FMP series was 1,437